Hey guys, this is Haley and Justin here at Parkside Kia in Knoxville, Tennessee. We're just wanting to come out and get you a quick walk around video of the all new 23 Sportage that just came out. This is going to be the SX Prestige. So here you are going to have the updated Kia logo. You're going to have your LED projection headlights, LED fog lights, these parking sensors here in the front. That plate down there, that's going to be for your adaptive cruise control. You have a camera there for your front view. Camera up there, that's going to be for your lane keep assist, lane follow assist. You are also going to have a heated windshield, 19-inch alloy wheels, and then we move over to the door handle where you're going to have keyless entry here on the door handle. All right, Justin, let's talk about this interior.
All right, I got you. So we got our dual panoramic screens in the front. We got our blind spot view monitor. You hit your signal lights, you're always going to cast that view on each side. Got our navigation screen on this side. We got our dual panel, so it's going to work as your base buttons and of course your climate control. Got a wireless phone charger here. We got heated and ventilated front seats with a heated steering wheel. This one is all-wheel drive, folks. We have our idle, stop and go. Gonna look at the backup camera real quick. I know I've got the hatch already open, but we have a quick cool feature here. We can change the top view of the car and swivel this around to whatever view that you need it to be to see either curbs or whatever that you're worried about hitting. We got our panoramic sunroof here. Easy push button to extend that all the way back to the back. Beautiful red interior. We also got our upgraded sound system to the hardened Carmen. Got lane keep assist, lane follow assist. We got our stop and go cruise control. It's going to pace you from the car in front of you. You never really got to worry about braking. And of course, we've got our memory seats on the door, set for 1 and 2, always for those 2-person families. I'm going to kind of step out so we can get the view of the inside on the back. Hardened Carmen's back here as well. We got USB-C chargers in the rear. We got our rear vents. Got purse hangers on the back of the seats. Get a quick view of, like I said, that panoramic sunroof goes all the way to the back. Levers here will help fold the seats down, and of course gets it more reclined in the back. Got our rear parking sensors. Where they redesigned the Sportage, we got a lot more space back here than we did previously. This one does have a blind here to help cover and lock out your stuff. Got levers back here to help fold those seats down. That was pretty quick. Got our power lift gate. You can open that from the fob, from the inside. It's also got smart lift gate, so if you put your fob in your pocket, you stand behind it for more than 4 seconds, the trunk opens up automatically for you. And that, guys, is the 2023 Kia Sportage SX Prestige.